पार्लियामेंट इजलास से कबल मुनक़िदा ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग के बाद टीडीपी के रुकने पार्लियामेंट लौसरी कृष्णा देवरायलू ने दिल्ली में मीडिया से बात की है। इन्होंने कहा कि पार्टी ने पार्लियामेंट के 21 दिनों के सेशन के दौरान बहस के लिए मुतअद्दिद अहम मौज़ूआत तजवीज़ किए हैं। इन्होंने कहा कि तमाम सियासी जमातों को मिलकर पार्लियामेंट की बेहतर कारकर्दगी के लिए ताउन करना चाहिए ताकि कीमती वक्त ज़ाया न हो और अवामी मसाइल पर संजीदा बहस हो सके। इन्होंने मरकजी हुकूमत की मुख्तलिफ स्कीम्स का हवाला दिया। इन्होंने दरियाओं को जोड़ने के मुतनाज़ा मसले पर भी बात की।
On behalf of Telugu Desam Party, we have proposed few topics of discussion in the 21 days that the Parliament is going to work in this session. We want all parties to come together so that smooth functioning of Parliament can happen and working hours can be utilized in a proper way. And we want discussion on PM Dhanadhanya Krishi Yojana, a new scheme that has been announced by the Union government for the upliftment of the farming community of this country, coming from Andhra Pradesh, which is primarily dependent on agriculture. We have got really good produce. The farmers have given good produce last year. We have got a lot of awards also, but these two has not helped in getting remunerative prices, so that state government has had to intervene and make sure that remunerative prices, tobacco and other farms can be given to the farmers. But if some sort of as PM Dhanadhanya Krishi Yojana has been brought in to uplift the farmers, if we can discuss it at a national platform so that this issue can be resolved at a national level, that's what we have requested. And second is with regards to Jal Jeevan Mission. You all know that Andhra Pradesh from 2019 to 24, even though we were given 24,000 crores, only 2,000 crores has been spent because of diversion, because of various other issues in the previous government. So we requested, there's some success stories in the country, in various states with regards to Jal Jeevan Mission, but Andhra Pradesh is not there because of what happened from between 2019 and 24. So we wanted to have a discussion on this as well. And third one is with regards to interlinking of rivers. Ken Betwa has been a huge success and the work is progressing very well.